This video will help you understand how to use the My Views page to view current and older submissions, as well as manage your portfolio. Now, when logged into eReinsure, click on My Views on the menu bar. The My Views page has a few different features: the Search Accounts tool, the Filter Accounts tool, and the My Views tabs. Let's take a look at each. When you're using the Search Accounts tool, you can search for submissions by named insured or policy number. To search by named insured, select the Named Insured radio button and enter a search term in the search box. You can enter either part or all of the name. Then click the search button. Your results will be displayed in the body of the page, and you can click the named insured to look at the submission summary. Alternatively, you can search by policy number. Select the policy number radio button and enter the policy number in the search box. Then click the search button and your results will be displayed. Now let's look at the Filter Submissions tool on the left side of the page. You will have the option of several drop-downs that can be used on their own or in conjunction with one another. Let's say a colleague of mine is out of the office on vacation and I need to review his or her accounts. I'll select the name from the Underwriter drop-down. I can also filter by specific statuses. In this case, I'll select Needs Quote. I can also narrow my results by using the branch filter, the cedent company filter, or the effective dates. When I click Filter, all of Steve Good's submissions that need a quote will be displayed. By default, 20 records will be shown, but you can choose from the drop-down to increase that number if you wish. To sort the results in the column, click on the title of the column, then click on the title of the column again to sort the results in reverse order. Once you find the submission you want to work with, just click on the named insured. There will be at least two My Views tabs along the top of the page: Quotes and Negotiations and Endorsements. Searching in the Quotes and Negotiations tab will display a variety of data associated with a given submission. For example, I'll search for Manhattan Brewery. Here I see two entries, the 2015 and the 2016 submissions, each one with the cedent Brighton Insurance Company. I can see the underwriter, the reinsurance effective date, the policy number, status, etc. I can, of course, drill down into the specifics of each entry by clicking on the named insured and going from there. Now, if I wanted to manage my portfolio with a particular insurer, I could select that company under the Cedent Company drop-down. I'll go ahead and click Brighton Insurance Company. Let's check everything that I have in a bind requested status with Brighton Insurance Company this year. When I click Filter, all of my results will be displayed. Looks like I have one submission that I can chase up on, Level Properties. Now let's change the date to include last year as well, just out of curiosity. Instead of 2016, I'll put 2015, click Filter, and it looks like there's an additional item from December that needs my attention as well, Bermuda Industrial Supply. So whether I'm a manager, whether I'm an underwriter, I can use this tool to help me see where some effort may be needed. Now, returning our attention to the My Views tabs, the Endorsements tab is pretty self-explanatory. When searching in this tab, the results will be limited to endorsements. Here I'll just enter hotel and click search. Here here are all my results that are endorsements. You can use all of the filter criteria on the left to aid you in your search, such as endorsement-specific statuses like waiting on cedent or waiting on reinsure. You may also have an automatics tab that appears, but it will only show for users with access to facility workflows on eReinsure, and those searches follow the same concept. That about covers it for my views. As always, if you have any questions or concerns, we have excellent support personnel standing by ready to help. Just reach out using this contact information. Thank you and have a great day.